Take off. To remove something. He took off his t-shirt because it was too warm. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Put on. To wear something. She put on her shoes and went for a walk. She put on her glasses to read the book. Call off. To cancel something. The game was called off because of rain. They called off the meeting due to bad weather. Throw up. To vomit. I think I'm going to throw up. I don't feel well. He felt sick and threw up after eating spoiled food. Carry on. To continue doing something. Please carry on with your work. Don't stop. Carry on running. See off. To say goodbye when someone is leaving. I'll see you off and then go home. We went to the airport to see off our friend. Hold back. To stop yourself from doing something. He held back his anger and stayed calm. She tried to hold back her tears during the speech. Let in. To allow someone or something to enter a place. Let me in. It's cold outside. He didn't want to disturb anyone, so he let himself in quietly. Take down. To write something down. The students took down notes during the lecture. Can you take down his phone number for me? Pass out. To faint. She passed out suddenly while standing in line. He drank too much and passed out at the party. Turn around. To rotate or change direction. She turned around to see who was calling her name. She heard a noise and turned around quickly. Call out. To speak loudly or shout, often to get attention. I called out for help when I got stuck. She called out his name, but he didn't hear her. Fall down. To lose balance and drop to the ground. The child fell down while running in the playground. The old man fell down, but luckily he wasn't hurt. Ran into. To meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. She ran into her teacher while shopping. I ran into my old friend at the mall yesterday. Talk over. To discuss something. Let's talk over the plan before making a decision. They talked over the problem and found a solution. Wrap up. To finish or complete something. Let's wrap up the meeting with a quick summary. I need to wrap up my project before the deadline. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground. The plane took off at exactly 6 p.m. We watched the jet take off from the runway. Turn down. To refuse or lower the volume. She asked him out, but he turned her down. Can you turn down the TV? I'm trying to concentrate. Give back. To return something to its owner. Please give back my pen when you are done. He gave back the money he found on the floor. Go through. To experience something. She went through a lot during the lockdown. He is going through a tough time right now.